Mtangazaji.
Murimo wa coronavirus na ucungireirie a Kenya gwikora magika maundu mugaru na uria mamenyerete kuumana na mitaratara iria gathikitwo ni thirikari ari njira ya kurigiriria gutamba kwa murimo wa coronavirus. Na kuuma muthenya wa gatano kiumia giki gutire mundu ritikagirio gukorwo nja thutha wa thaa 1 cia hwaini nginyagia thaa 11 cia rucini tigo andu aria maheanaga motungata ma mwiri. Mukana uyu wa kwaga kuuma nja waniriirwo ni president arita njira imwe ya kurigiriria andu kuonana mari ikundi niguo kurigiriria gutherema kwa homa ya coronavirus.
That effective Friday 27th March 2020 there will be a daily curfew from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning.
Aria maretikagirio gukorwo nja mathaini macio no andu aria mahetwo rutha ni thirikari ta borithi na arigitani wago guo andu maritacukagirio ikinya ria kiwatho.
Shall be in effect in the territory of the Republic of Kenya with all movement by persons not authorized to do so, or not being medical professionals, health workers, critical and essential service providers, being prohibited between these hours.
Ihinda-inĩ riu mutongoria wa bururi ni ahinyiriirie uhoro wa Kenya gutugiria utheru na njira ya gwithamba moko mahinda kwa mahinda na oho kuhinyiriria ndeto ya andu guikara haraihu na uria ungi akiuga riu undu uyu ni ukuoywo na uritu gukira hau kabere.
I believe it is incumbent on every Kenyan to support the efforts of our medical professionals, our health workers, our critical and essential service providers, and the government by a whole.
Undu uyu ukite oriri a Kenya monanitie kwaga kuhingia maundu maria marerwo metheme namo na oho andu kwaga kuhinga mawira. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Geto Waithira wa Kihara.